Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to my channel Nasib. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to create this mockup easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to open the mockup background. To do it, we have to click on the file. Then we have to click on the open. Then we have to select our mockup background. Then we have to click on the open again. After opening the mockup background, we have to click on the file menu again. Then we have to click on the new. Then we have to select insist from here. Then we have to click on this box and type here 3.5. Then we have to click on this box. Then type here 2. Then you have to click on the OK. Then you have to unlock this layer. Then you have to drag and drop this layer in here. Then you have to increase the size of this layer. Then you have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to select this layer again. Then right click on this layer. Then select convert to smart object. After that you have to click on the anchor point. Then you have to right click on this layer. Then select distort from here. So look at this and deeply. After that, we have to open any business card to set in the mockup. So I am opening a business card from my PC. After opening the business card, we have to close this project. Then we have to back to the project. Then we have to select this layer. Then we have to double click on here. Then we have to select this layer, then click on the lock icon. Then we have to select all layers from here. Then we have to drag and drop this layer in here. Then we have to set this business card. After that, we have to click on the tick mark. Then we have to press Ctrl plus S button from keyboard. After set the project, we have to back to the main project. Then we have to zoom in the screen. Then we have to select this layer. Then we have to click on the anchor point again. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the distort. After that, we have to click on the tick mark. Then we have to select the layer again. Then we have to zoom in here. Then we have to select this. Then press and hold Alt key and take copy from this. After that, you have to zoom out the screen. After that, we have to select all layers again. Then we have to press Ctrl plus Z button from keyboard. Then we have to select all layers. Then we have to click on here. Then right click on here. Then click on the distort. After that, we have to click on the tick mark. After that, you have to select all layers again, then increase the size again. So now you can see our mockup design has been completed. Now I will show you how to set other business card in the mockup. To do it, we have to double click on here. Then we have to open the business card. After opening the business card, we have to select all layers from here. Then we have to press Ctrl plus C button from keyboard. Then we have to back to the project. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to select all layers. Then we have to click on the backspace. Then we have to press Ctrl plus V button from keyboard. Then we have to increase the size. Then we have to set the business card in here. Then I have to click on the tick mark. Then I have to press Ctrl plus S button from keyboard. So friends, now you can see this business card in here. Friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.